Kevin Stanfield.
And I'm Caitlin Corbett. The number of whooping cough cases across the state is on the rise, including in Gallatin County.
The Gallatin City-County Health Department says 41 cases have already been reported so far this year, and 15 just within the last week. Across the state of Montana, health officials have recorded more than 260 people suffering from pertussis overall, which is almost double the number from the same time last year. Clusters have been reported in various school districts, including Mount Ellis Academy and Montana State University. GCC Health Department Officer Matt Kelly says the number reported may be climbing due to the fact that awareness is rising, and the best way to stop it is protection through prevention.
The way that we protect the people who are at greatest risk is by making sure that we're taking a careful approach and identifying those who do have the disease, making sure they're treated so they're less likely to transmit the disease, and really kind of creating a cocoon around those people who are vulnerable.
Kelly says spending a lot of time around people who have whooping cough is the easiest way to catch it. Pregnant women, unvaccinated babies, and those suffering from pulmonary disease could be the most at risk.